Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video we will test together a new lip palette by Catrice Cosmetics. It is called the Creatrice Creamy Matte Lip Palette and it contains a lip primer, 8 lipstick shades and also a lip powder. We also have a double-ended lip brush, a very nice mirror, very clear, very good quality. It's not flimsy. This costs €7.95. I will do lip swatches for all the lipsticks. I will also do a wear test and some check-ins, and we will see if these are also long-lasting. This palette is in the shade Back to the Nudes, and it says lip palette with lip primer, creamy matte lipstick and golden lip powder. So it says here, apply lip primer with fingertips on lips, and then apply lipstick with brush on lips, and the second step is dab lip powder with fingertips on top of the lipstick. Let me remove what I have on my lips. I have a Shine 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 lip gloss by Essence in the color Happiness in a Bottle. So let's take a little bit of the lip primer and I will apply it on the lips. It says with the fingertips. I will take some more. It's not so hygienic all the time with the fingertips because you touch your lips, palette, lips, palette, lips, palette. If you use it for yourself, it's okay, but if you're going to use it on other people, it is best to use brushes. Okay, so this lip primer is creamy. It is a little patchy on the lips. Okay. When you press your lips together, it is like it has some very fine grains, like sand, but okay, it is a primer. It doesn't say how long I should leave the primer on and then the lipstick, so I will start immediately. I will take this shade here with my brush and let's see how this applies. Oh, it's very creamy. The color is very beautiful. Oh my god, I like it. The brush has that perfect width, so you can use it in the inner corner of your lips. It is very easy to use this brush. Okay, that looks very beautiful. Yep. I have some on my teeth. No. So when I press my lips, the color doesn't separate. I love that. I will also take the gold powder and I will apply it with my finger on the center of the lips to see how that looks. Okay. It makes it like metallic. I'm not a huge fan of this trend. I mean, metallic holographic, not my thing. Okay, that looks, like gold powder on your lips. I think I prefer it without the powder. If you want just to jazz it up a little, maybe you can use a powder. If this is your thing, why not? When you press your lips, the powder mixes into the color and it loses somehow this metallic effect. It's not so visible. Okay, not bad. Let's move on to the second color. So I will use a lip brush by Essence to use the lip primer on my lips. I will use the lip primer for all the colors because this is what it says on the instructions. This is how we will do it. Oh, it's whiter. When you apply it with a brush, it is whiter. Okay, I will just press my lips to get the primer everywhere. The lips look a little drier when you apply the base. Okay, and then I'm taking my Catrice brush and I will take this corally pink shade here. This is a Barbie pink color. So I went a little bit out of my line. Okay, I can clean it very easy with just a Q-tip. This is always a step that I do in my lip reviews. And I always tell you if it stains the skin, because that means it will be difficult to clean any mistakes. This color is a little bit patchy on me. It is a little dry. You can see the dryness of my lips, maybe because this is a very light color for me, for my skin tone. I don't like it so much as the previous one. Let's see how it looks with the powder. I clean my finger and then I swatch it because I don't want to contaminate it, but most probably I will. So this is how it looks with the powder on. This one is a little patchy and I don't like it with the gold powder. So let me remove this and let's move on to the next color. So I will use again my finger to apply the lip primer because maybe that was the reason I couldn't apply very well the second color. This primer makes my lips very dry. I'm taking the Catrice brush and I will take the third color. Okay, this one is very pale. This color looks lighter when you apply it on your lips instead of the palette. It looks like a cool toned purple neutral color. Okay, so when I press my lips it doesn't separate. Okay, I like this one. It looks very natural. It looks very nice with my eyeshadows. I will link down below the video for the eyeshadows. I will apply again the lip primer with a brush just to see if I will be able to apply easier the next color. With a brush you apply more product instead of your fingers. The primer intensifies the dryness on the lips. The next one is this one here. It is like a caramel neutral shade that you can use for every day. So let's see how it looks. Okay, I like this one too. It was very easy to make this color opaque. So this looks very nice on the lips. It is a caramel neutral color like it is in the palette. And yeah, it looks very nice and it doesn't separate when I press my lips. And it is very creamy. And I go to the next color that it looks like a darker brown shade, also very natural. Let's see how it looks on the lips. It applies very easy. It looks very nice and I think it makes my teeth whiter. Is it only my thoughts? It is very creamy. Also, this doesn't separate. Okay. I like it. I like this color. This color is one of my most favorite for darker colors. I like it. So let's move on to the next color. The next color is this one here. It is like a dark cherry brown color. So this is also not separating. I like it. And on the lips it looks like a darker reddish brown. It is not a dark cherry like I thought it would be. Very pretty, very creamy, very nice. I will use this color right up here. It looks like a dark mauvish brown shade. We will see on the lips. So this is not as dark as I thought it would be, but it is a mauvish shade. It is very nice. I think all the shades are very wearable and you can use them every day. I also did some swatches on the back of my hand because I thought this reminds me a lot of this shade here. I think this one is a little bit more caramelly and this is a little bit more mauvish. This is a caramel and this is the mauvish that I have now on my lid. This color looks like a red cherry color, but again, I may be wrong. On my hand, it looks like red cherry. We will see. So first of all, lip primer. So this one is a little bit patchy. Every time I try to just build the color with my brush, I remove it. I don't know. I will clean my brush and I will try again. Yes, every time I try to just build the color on some areas, it looks like the color is removed. Do you see that? And when I try to mix it with my lips, it separates here and here. The color doesn't stay in place. And if I could make it opaque, this is very nice. I will let it dry just a few minutes. Maybe this one just needs, it's time to set, because I want to make this very opaque. It's a very cool shade. I don't know if it is the primer that makes it so slippery, but with the other shades I didn't have any problems. Okay, so this is how the color looks on the lips. It is a dark cherry, not a very, very dark cherry. I have, if you use Prim by Colourpop, that is a very, very dark cherry. You can still see that it is separated here. And that's so disappointing, because in a lip palette you always want the darker and the lighter shade to work perfectly, so you can make whatever you want with the palette. This one here, the mauvish, and the caramel one, the darker caramel, these two on me and also on my hand look a little similar. Also, this one didn't work. I will use this one again. All the shades are very comfortable on the lips and buildable, except the darker one, which you can see we have the separation. I will apply one more time this shade here just to give it one more chance to work for me. Now I like it. Before it was a big no for me. It is a light pink Barbie color, very cute. So now I want to use one of the darkest shades in the outer corner of my lips to see if these colors blend easy into each other or not. So let's see. I clean my brush on a tissue and I'm thinking about taking this shade here or this one. I don't know. I think all the shades will work. I will take this one here, the reddish brown shade, and I will apply it only in the outer corner of my lip. Okay, that looks very nice. They blended very nice. I will apply just a little bit on the outer line. So I will only apply this shade here on the center of my lips to see if I will be able to do that ombre effect. Yeah, I can say you can do it. My lips look fuller than usual, Okay, they blend very nice. Also, don't forget that if you like that metallic effect on your lips, you can use also the gold powder that we have in the palette. This is how all the lipsticks look with the gold powder on it. On my lips right now, I have applied again this one here, the first shade, and I will keep this one for the wear test. Hi guys, so it's been 5 hours and let's do our final wear test for the lipstick, and I will zoom you in. It was already okay. So as we can see, almost all the color is removed. I only have just a little bit of color on the upper part of the lips. I can say that this is not long lasting. Also, it was not transfer proof. I will zoom you out because we don't have anything else to say about that. So what I liked and what I didn't like about this palette. I liked the brush. This is a very nice quality. You can get very easily into the inner corner of your mouth. You can do a very precise work with this brush. I liked it. Also, about the packaging, it is a nice firm packaging. Also, I like that we get a very good quality mirror. It is very clear. Also, it is just exactly what you want for your lip application. I like that we have a lip primer. I think the lip primer makes the lipstick apply a little easier on your lips, and The only shade that it didn't work for me, it was the darker one. It was patchy on me, and when I pressed my lips, you could see that the color was separating. All the other shades were fine. I didn't have that problem, and I liked that. I didn't like that these two shades look very similar when I apply them on my lips. Maybe it depends on your lip color. As you can see, mine, it is a little caramelly, so maybe on you it will be two different shades. On me it wasn't. The gold powder, for me, it was a no-no. I don't like the metallic trend, especially for the lips. This is not my thing. If you like it, you can make it work. About all the other shades, I like that they are very creamy and comfortable on the lips. And I also like that all the shades are very wearable. You can use this palette for your work. You can also have this for school or your college. Only the darker shade is a little bit patchy, but you can make it work. If you apply a same color lip pencil for base, I believe that you will not have this problem and it will not look so visible if the lip color is separated. If you are into lip palettes, this is a nice palette. It is not the best palette. For me, this is not a hit or miss. It is in the middle just because two of the shades are very similar on me. Also, one shade was very patchy. If you already have these colors, you don't need the lip palette. If you don't have these colors, maybe this palette will be useful for you. Also, let me know in the comments below if you would like me to review the other Creatrice lip palette that there is. Let me know in the comments below if you have already tested this palette and if you like it. If you want to learn more about makeup and also see some more videos from me, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and I will see you in my next video. Bye!